welcome to a new video. I need to show you something. I am so disturbed. That, my friends, is not the fun part about living in Hawaii. Oh, I can't even. Oh! Okay. So if you're wondering how I debug my home, I use diatomaceous earth to treat my home in a very natural way. It's not harmful to rodents or cats or dogs or humans, but it quite effectively, as you could see back there, it quite effectively kills bugs. Anyways, on to our day today. Sam and I are heading out. I'm really excited to be showing Sam one of my favorite places, as well as just giving myself a chance to go hiking and see some gorgeous sights. I can't wait to show everyone, so let's go. What do you think of it?
I think that this is
So pretty.
gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So there are essentially three options in getting down into Waipiʻo Valley. The only other time I've been here, I drove, and it was very scary down a very steep hill.
This is the one you were talking about.
Yeah. So you can either drive, or you can take a shuttle service, which I don't really know how that works as far as schedules and whatnot. Why am I out of breath already? Holy moly. The third option is to walk down the hill. Not on a hiking path, but on the same narrow road in which people drive. So it'll be interesting.
buddy.
Hi, buddy.
He's so little. Where's everybody else?
Are you coming with us? Did we spoil you? I think we gave you one too many carrots.
You're leaving me? Hi, buddy.
Hi, sweetheart. So cute. Can you feel the breeze from there, you guys? Probably not, but I sure can. It's pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah. Can you move real quick?
We are starting the walk back now. What did you think of Waipiʻo?
Oh my god. So beautiful. It's insane.
What was your favorite part of today's adventure so far?
Probably the hike through the woods. Getting a little lost. It was a little scary for a second.
I didn't even vlog that. Like,
oh, I know.
as far as like storytelling goes, I don't even know that happened. We trekked through the woods for quite some time, got a little lost. It was kind of scary, but it's fine. That's why it's important to stay on the path, kids, and follow street signs. And
Not true at all. Don't stay on the path. Stay off the path all the time. Go explore.
we take the road less traveled.
If the sun I don't mind.
We just got to Big Island Brew House. It's in the town of Waimea, which is right by Waipiʻo Valley. It's so adorable here. And we're just having a little brewski to celebrate a very fun day together. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to show you guys my future adventures going on my trip to Canada soon. So I will see you guys there, and in the meantime, I hope you're all doing very well. I love you so much.